Now we are discussing a small business, that is globe making. How do you make a homemade globe? Put glue on the side of the jar's lid. Fill the jar cold water. Add 2 teaspoons of glitter and stir. And add a few drops of glycerin. Screw the lid on the jar. You can glue it if you are concerned about your child trying to open it. That is it. Globe making is also a very good art. Nowadays, different types of globes will be there. For children, globes are different. So it will be with paper sometimes, and if something costliest you want, you can with plastic, and something you want means with another metal. Likewise, it will be increased according to the need and the requirement. And next point is, what is globe making? The making of globes, spheres covered with a map, usually of the earth or the heavens. Status: endangered craft category. Who made globe first? The oldest known globe was made more than 2100 years ago by crafts of Magus, a Greek philosopher and geographer who lived in what is today Turkey. The oldest globe that survives to this day was made by the German geographer Martin Bahan. And next point is that is in the 1492, just before Christopher Columbus sailed to the New World. And next point is, how hard is to make a globe? Globe making is a difficult art to learn, which the act of applying the strips of map at the sphere, alone usually taking a year to master, but the stunning results speak for themselves. But globe making is with statistics and measurements you should take, means it is very hard and as well as very systematic, and it is also a very good skill. And next point is, what material is used in globe? Modern globes are often from thermoplastic. This is placed, flat plastic discs are printed with a distorted map of one of the Earth's hemispheres. This is placed in a machine which molds the disc into a spherical shape. The hemisphere is united with the opposite counterpart to form a complete globe. Next point is, what are the 3 types of globes? Generally, there are 3 types of globes. So, terrestrial globes detail geographical features of the earth. There are also globes that illustrate the physical features of celestial bodies, such as the moon or Mars. Celestial globes, like the one pictured here, are spherical maps of the sky models of the visible heavens. What is the importance of globe? A globe shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the planet Earth. It represents the shape, size, location of the oceans and the continents. It is 3-dimensional sphere that acts as a model of the Earth. And next point is, what is the liquid in globes? For health and safety reasons, white plastic has become more common in the construction of modern snow globes. The liquid has allowed from initially light oil to a mixture of water, antifreeze and glycerol. And next point is, what is the globe in education? The global learning and observations to benefit the environment program is a worldwide hands-on the science and education program focusing on the environment. Now active in over 120 countries worldwide. And next point is, why do globes have different colors? Different colors are used in globes to represent different elements. The blue color in a globe represents the water bodies like sea, lakes, oceans, streams and reservoirs. This is the information regarding globe making. Globe making is also a very good art, and especially what I want to say is, even if you make a plastic globe also, internally you should have antifreeze and some water also will be mixed, because external temperatures will not shrink out the globe. That means certain water and the antifreeze elements and the glycerol, all these will be there in the globe. That is, you should remember, don't scratch out completely. Then only, if you keep it well and safe, this is good for you. And this is the information regarding globe. Wishing you all the best.